Tooth Show just gifted me this multi-function tooth polisher, and I'm really excited to put this to the test because this will take care of any stains or buildup that you can't normally remove at home. Usually you need a professional. Now, something to keep in mind is this is bringing professional level dental care into your home, so be careful, follow the rules, be gentle, use some common sense with this powerful device, but there is a lot going on here. So let me go over everything you get, and then we're going to put it to the test on my teeth. Now, to start off with, you get the tooth polisher itself. It's battery operated. It comes with a USB-C to USB-A cord to charge, and all you do is hold down to turn on, and then it's basically spinning and vibrating this little polishing head at the top, and it starts at soft. If you press again, it'll take you to medium, then middle, and then strong. So it has 4 modes. You can level up as needed, and it really depends on what brush heads you're using, as some of these are nice soft silicone brushes for polishing, and other ones are a lot stronger for a bit more grinding. And these all just spin right off. If for any reason they're hard to spin off or you really need to tighten them in, it does come with a miniature wrench so you can really get these in. Now for the brush heads, there's a lot of repeats, but I love all of these because they are all silicone or more like a toothbrush. You have your silicone polishing head, which is a nice tip on it. This is what I'll be using in a moment here to test on my teeth. And then it has 2 different kind of polishing tips. One that is called the umbrella polishing head that's going to get in cracks and crevices, and one that's a little bit more what I'm used to my dentist using, just kind of a flat polishing head. And then finally, it actually comes with 2 heads that are more like your toothbrush. One is round and one is pointed, so you can really use this for more focused brushing as well. And while you can use your own toothpaste or any polisher you want, it does come with its own little polishing packs to get you started. And then it comes with desensitizing gel as well. This is to use if after using it you feel a little sensitive. This will help you out there. So it really gives you everything you need to get started, to get comfortable with this, and then build upon, because you may want more of this and you may want more polishing gels over time. But this is designed to last. Let's go put this to the test. Now I'm set up in the bathroom, and these stains right here are what I'm hoping to remove. So I am going to use the focused silicone tip right here, and I really do just twist it on. And if I need to, I can put this little wrench along the metal section to hold that in place, so I can make sure that doesn't spin while I tighten this on just a little bit more. So now that's ready to go. Now, because I'm going after little spots and I'm not polishing, I don't actually need to use any polish gels, but I did go ahead and put a little toothpaste on the tip here. Now I'm gonna see how well I can do on these spots. So let's turn it on. It totally worked. I love the little light that lights up while it's working. I only did it in soft, so I didn't even level up, and it took everything off the tip of those 2 teeth. Let me show you close up. And you can see the difference right there. It actually looks like there's the slightest discoloration that I could still go after. But of course, zooming in on my teeth is going to show all the imperfections anyway. Now I'm really tempted to use the polisher and just do a quick polish on all my teeth. So I'm gonna undo this. And yes, I need to use that little mini wrench because it wants to spin. So I'm just gonna hook that wrench in there, spin this off. And now that I've loosened it with the wrench, I'll just take this one off. And now I'm really excited to go in with this polisher because now I see the potential of this, and I'm getting way more excited that I got this. Now with the polisher, you will definitely want to use some form of polish. It could be a toothpaste, whatever you want to put on this while it polishes your teeth. And I'm actually gonna try this in a higher level. Let's go. Wow, this is really, really cool. I gotta tell you that my teeth feel and look a lot more like they do right after I leave the dentist's office. This is really, really nice. I am not concerned about this at all. I was a little nervous to begin with just because I was worried that I was going to be overdoing it. But now that I'm using this, it is just exactly what I want. Beautifully powerful, gives me more control. This is a great way to help whiten your teeth, to remove any buildup that you're having trouble with removing with a standard toothbrush or even electronic toothbrush, which I use. And it's exceptionally good at going after any staining that you can't remove otherwise. I am very impressed with this, and I think you're going to love this tooth polishing tool from Tooth Show.